Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automation on the Xiaomi Standing Fan to Lite. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and then make sure that the fan has been paired to the app. So after that, we're going to open up the fan settings. Then we're going to press on the three dots on the top right, scroll down to automation, click on automation, and here we're going to go to my scenes and then press on the plus icon on the top right to start creating an automation. So we're going to press automation, and here we're going to set up go from top to bottom. So we're going to start with when the automation starts, under which conditions. So for example, if you have any smart home devices, you can set it up so when a door is unlocked or a device is triggered, you can select that device to start the fan. Or you can just select a schedule, so what time you want the fan to start. So you can set that up. For example, you come back home at like 16 o'clock, you can select that, and you can also select it to repeat every day or the days that you select right here. So once you've done that, just press on the check mark on the top right to set up the start. So basically that's the start. So then we're gonna go down, so adjust the device to. So that means like the features that you want to be enabled. So for example, you want it to turn on, just select turn on or off. Or if you want to also start, for example, you also want to, for example, change the speed of the device, you can add another action. So you can here select any of these actions right here. So you have notifications, you have existing automations, delay, smart home devices, and stuff like that. So just select any one of these actions, so whatever action you want. So for example, change speed to level 3, and as you can see, the fan will first turn on, and then it's going to change the speed to level 3. Effective time period. So basically you can select whether it works all day or from starting time to ending time and what time it repeats. So select that. You've pretty much done everything. Just press setup, press OK. You could have also named the automation if you want. So for example, I'm gonna select test, press save. And as you can see, the test automation is now turned on. So when it hits 16 o'clock, the fan will turn on, and then change the speed to level 3, and it will be working from this time period to this time period, something like that. So if you want this to be enabled, you just leave the check mark, leave the toggle green. But if you want to disable the automation, you don't want it working right now, you just disable it by turning the toggle to gray. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.